Imagine yourself in this 2003 Toyota Land Cruiser. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD stacker, ventilated disc brakes, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.